Hello, I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we are going to unravel a potent method in business strategy known as a cost leadership. This tool, when wielded correctly, can be game-changing for your business. So if you want to get ahead of your competition, keep your costs low and maximize your profits, then hold tight because this video is for you.
1. Understanding cost leadership strategy, a comprehensive overview. Let's start with the basics. The cost leadership strategy is about dominating the market by providing products or services at the lowest possible cost. How do you do that? It could be through operational efficiency, superior supply chains, economies of scale, or even technology. The idea is to undercut your opponents and secure a larger market share. 2. The importance of cost leadership strategy in business. Cost leadership is not just another strategy. It helps businesses thrive in highly competitive markets, create a solid brand image, and secure customer loyalty by offering affordable yet quality products. 3. Key characteristics of a cost leadership strategy. What makes a successful cost leadership strategy? It requires meticulous planning, efficient operations, cost-effective sourcing, and a keen eye on competitors and market trends. 4. Implementing a cost leadership strategy, step-by-step guide. Firstly, understand your business's cost structure, look for areas to maximize efficiency, invest in technology and automation, and always aim for continuous improvement. 5. Cost leadership strategy, benefits and challenges. By following a cost leadership strategy, you can enjoy higher profit margins, improved market share, and competitive advantage. However, there are also challenges, such as maintaining quality, potential price wars, and the constant pressure to reduce costs. 6. Real-world examples of successful cost leadership strategy implementation. Companies like Walmart and Amazon brilliantly illustrate cost leadership. They streamline processes, negotiate with suppliers, and use technology to keep their prices unbeatable. 7. Case study. Walmart's success with cost leadership strategy. Walmart's success with cost leadership is phenomenal. Their everyday low prices, efficient supply chains, and massive buying power have established them as the global retail leader. Now that you understand the power of cost leadership, it's time for you to take action. Remember, you don't need to do it all alone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more insightful business strategy content.